Okay, well, looks like I might end up having to buy me a camera or get me a phone with bigger thing, or take this up to see if they can get me something that has bigger storage or something like that, because I am having issues trying to get this recorded. It's like I can do 15, I can do 20. I've deleted a lot of them, downloaded on my computer, and it still is cutting off. But yeah, so I got some money in here. I got a couple ding ding dings that didn't get recorded because of the stupid phone. I got the May one. I had like $21 in there, and then I had my dots, which I had 30, so $50 there. Maybe I'll put that towards a phone or a camera to see if they have any good ones. I got some decent money in my no spend, so I can always add that towards it and get as much as I can from some of these games before I restart these ones, because I actually have some decent amount. Might end up having to do that and take a couple out of my not my emergency fund, but my 200 extra dollars that I have in one of my other accounts and use that. So, but yeah, well, I'll just have to start looking around. So if can't get a lot of these stuff out, then you'll probably know why. I did do a lot of filming this week. So, but yeah, I got some of the new games in here to buzz off and stuff. So we'll start this next week. Well, hopefully I can figure out something to do with the phone. I think I just did them all, and I'll just start again on this one, You're a Card. I finished off all the other ones for this month, and I have a little bit of money left. I'm gonna double check, make sure this thing is still recording. Maybe. Yep, it is. All right. Ooh, did not hear that. All right, 10. I got 20, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I totally just missed a couple of those. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I'll probably try to add these other two together and we'll get something of it, but it'll be a little cut and miss and tough stuff. All right, this is new one. It is the dice one, and I think I have 6 on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And so we will use the dice. And I think we're just going to pull these out, make it easier than flipping through there. And I just randomly swish them all up. And 1, 2, 3. I can see them all. 4. It's kind of like my Minni Mondays. 5 and 6. And like I said, I'm trying to do this fast until my phone doesn't turn off. And we'll do, I guess, 3 on each. Okay, 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2. I should probably mix some of these up so we've got some 10s and stuff. Well, I guess I can always 2, 3. I guess I should have done this first. Got a couple 10s and 20s. Let's see if I have something that has a lot of dollar bills in here. Yeah, because I'm like really prepared here, aren't I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And well, I will call that 10. I can always put an extra dollar in there from one of these. You can steal a dollar. Did I just put 2 5s in there? Yes, I did. I was supposed to put those 10 in there. Okay. Take 2. Oh my god. Next time I swear I'll be a little more prepared. Probably not, but I will try. Let's put a couple dollars in here. I'll just use these as spicy dollars. And I'll use a couple of them to add up. All right. 5. 1 and 2. That is a 1. 1 and 2. Oh, that was not a good one. Okay, I guess it wants that 1. 5. 1 and 2. Got a spicy one. I need a roller thing because I swear I need. Okay, 1, 2. Because it just flops. I bounce it in my hand, I guess. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Likes that 1. I don't have anything on 4. And 1 and 2, and I have an extra $1. I had an extra $1 somewhere. Number 3. All right. I'm always afraid this thing's gonna stop now that I'm having issues with my thingy because it's been stopping about 8 minutes. So if it stops again, I'll have to hurry and quickly go and get some. All right. Okay, 1. Okay, the money on top is the one that's going to do 2, and there we go. I'm gonna keep this money as a change up, and then those 2 10s or whatever's left over, I'll do with something. Where's my? Oh. I have just a piles over that way. I have piles of stuff. I swear. All right, let's put him in the front. Let's see if we can get him colored up. Let's see. The first one is. Oh, and I didn't even put the things on here saying what the denomination is. I'll just do a 1 and a 2. So I want to keep these ones lower. So we will have. I'm gonna get me a different color, purple and blue. Okay, so hearts will be 1s, and I have how much do I have in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's do. Okay, 1, and you can't really see that. Let's do a darker blue. Okay, 1, 2. 2 is 4. I guess it'll try to do a little bit better. And I'd just fast through this, but I'm afraid I won't have enough stuff recorded the way my phone's been acting up. 4, 5, 6. I was going to do some purple. Oh well, I'll do that next time. 6, 7, and 8. All right. Let's get some. Oh, my hands are so different colored, I wouldn't even know. All right, that one's coming off. It's like I was doing filming all the time, and before I even deleted, and it was no problem. And then today it was like, nope. It's like last week. It was like, luckily if I can get 15 minutes in there, and then all of a sudden it's just not wanting to do any of them. The other times it's like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, no problem. I don't know. It's an old phone. I'll have to see. All right, I only got 4 on this one, so this one's a roll the dice. I did this myself, so you can tell it's all different sizes and doesn't quite match fully or something, but okay. Roll the dice. Let's do. I got 4. I'm gonna do a 3, and doing another blue one and a 1. These are the ones I did up on Canvas. And then I just went over to FedEx and had them, printed up and latexed up. That's not latex. That's the wrong word. Whatever that plastic is called. Just doing too much in one day. Now I'm like paranoid. I'm gonna have to check. Is it still filming? Yep, still filming. It's at almost 10 minutes. It's like I have to go over to Walmart and print up all my photos because I don't want to take them off, and I've been having a hard time getting them onto my computer. And so I'm gonna go over to Walmart and print up all my stuff that I've had. Oh, I was gonna put some like scratch off ones, and for this one, so when I can't find my scratchers, but so whatever. I'll just go. Wait, how many do I have in here first? Okay, I got 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 2, 2, 9, 7, 8, 9. I guess we'll start that and do that. Dry. Actually, that dries pretty quick. It did say it dries quick. I was gonna get some Sharpies, but they're like twice the price of these ones. Got these over at Hobby Lobby. See that? But it's the Martinez Touch, Master's Touch, and they're like $7.99 for a pack of the same. A pack of what, 10 or so like that. And Sharpies was like $15 to $20, and I'm like, I'll give these a try. They feel like they're a little lighter and they're a little shorter, so they probably would run out sooner, but they ink up really nice. I'm gonna have to get me some stuff from online. And then I have my rabbit. I'm gonna have him as a $2. I'm gonna have this as my Minni Mondays type of things. So I'll do him $2. And this is the little one I made up, little jester hat, because I'm a fool. I'm a fool. And that has a whole $2. So I got one. And we'll just color him in. It actually has a nice color. I'm coloring all over my hands. And then once I have actually I did quite a bit of filming this week. I did some for Canva and some other stuff. So I'll be editing the rest of the week. So at least this next upcoming week and into next Monday, I should have some videos up. These last 3 ones that I did today were kind of hit and miss because of the stupid camera. Okay. And we have, I guess I didn't need to do anything. I think I might add those extra $10 to, actually my bunny, my 50-pound bunny thing. That way I already have that ready to go and I don't have to do anything else. Because I wasn't planning on using these until next week, but I figured what the heck. Well, I guess this is really 2. I guess these will be $2 as well. And let's get a flower. Just get one flower. Another flower. I'll have to go through when I edit, I'll have to see how much of the video I have and see if I need to add something into it. I got one. And that is my bunny baby. Took a picture of her, and then with the Canva, you can actually take out the background, so I just had her. And they actually did a really good job. Not bad. If I do say so myself, and I do. And there we go. Last ones. And supply a little bit all over the place, but got a little bit of money in there, getting going. And there's the other one that we didn't get any money in there to kiss my donkey. Or whatever else you say. And I will put this in the break the bunny, because I am so close to getting the extra $50. So there's the $50 I need. I'm at 232 right now, and at 228 I will put the extra $50, and that'll be the 50 pounds since I started writing on this guy. Actually started the thing before I actually bought this. It was at 293, but usually about 10 pounds is all water weight normally anyways. So don't really count that. All right. Whoops. Hit my camera. Yeah, I'm gonna look into. I need a new camera anyway, so I'm gonna go start checking them out. A new phone, anyways, because it's an S9, and a lot of them are having issues anyway. So I'll see if I can not say anyways every 5 seconds, but I'll see if I can get a better uh, camera at the very least, and then because I was hoping to hold off on an actual camera itself, but I'll have to see price wise if what's if it's just get me a cheaper version of a camera or a phone, or see if they have any other deals going on. I'll just have to check some prices. If you have any good ideas for cameras that you use that work pretty good for this type of stuff that's not overly expensive, please leave a comment in my thing, and so I can start looking for them. Well, hopefully it won't be so cut off because the phone dies or something like that. And yeah, that's on too. So thank you again. I'll try to do some editing, somewhat magic, because yeah, I think I moved that. No, well, it's this whole this last one's gonna be janky anyways. All right, well, I hope you had a good weekend. I will see you next time. Hopefully, I'll have a little better thing figured out. If not, then well, we'll do the best we can. If I'm off a week, it's because my phone or whatever. I'll go pick up some. Ew, what is that? Go and print up some of my photos on my phone and free up some space and stuff because I don't want to lose them. They have my little nieces and nephews. They're 1 or 2 year-old birthday stuff, so don't want to lose any of that. Alrighty, I am Payne, not in pain. I am Panassa, and I am signing off. Night.